The gift of Qualcomm is officially here. What's up guys, the world's fastest foldable is officially coming from Samsung that's stronger, faster and far more efficient than the Galaxy S22 series, especially the Exynos version. Yes, the gap is now extended. Qualcomm has finally made the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chip official, and it is the best Qualcomm chip for the year 2022 with surprising improvements compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, both Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 will have 10% faster CPU and 10% faster GPU performance than the Galaxy S22 series, while being up to 15% more power efficient. Qualcomm says that you can have nearly 1 hour of extra gameplay or about 50 minutes of social media browsing versus the 8 Gen 1. It's also built on the latest TSMC's 4nm process, which is said to be better than Samsung's 4nm process which they used for the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. The gift of Qualcomm is about to make the Z Fold 4 the fastest foldable on the planet. Of course, both Z Flip 4 and Fold 4 are getting this chip. Even though we don't have any big battery upgrades for the Z Flip 4 and the Fold 4, still I'm getting some promising feeling from the 8 Gen 1 Plus. In case you missed it, we already seen the real look of the Z Fold 4 and the Flip 4. There's not a lot that has been changed. One important detail we came to know regarding the camera of the Z Fold 4 is that it's not gonna have the S22 Ultra's main camera. It will be rocking the camera of the Galaxy S22 Plus, which is the 50 megapixel ISO GN5. Even though it's not the best camera from Samsung, still according to Ice Universe, we're gonna get the best telephoto lens, which is coming at 3x, and it's actually stronger than the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 3x zoom, which is kinda interesting. I would have loved to see the ISO HM3 on the Z Fold 4, but it is what it is. Now, while we are on the topic of foldables, the creator of Windows, aka Mr. Bill Gates, he actually uses the Z Fold 3 as his main phone. This information was revealed in a recent Reddit AMA session. He really likes the portable PC/phone functionality that the Z Fold 3 provides. Maybe after this, Samsung might hook him up with the Z Fold 4. Now, future Samsung mid-range phones could also get a really powerful boost thanks to the new Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chip, which now offers 20% faster graphics compared to the Snapdragon 778G. This new chip has a lot of new graphical improvements with new Adreno Frame Motion Engine, Qualcomm Game Quick Touch, HDR gaming, of course the ability to drive Quad HD Plus screens at 60Hz or Full HD Plus screens at 144Hz. We will see phones from Xiaomi, Honor and other Chinese brands bringing this chip later down the year, but hopefully Samsung can also bring a new phone, perhaps the A53s or even Galaxy A74 with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. Let me know your thoughts on the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, making the Z Fold 4 the fastest foldable phone on the planet, even faster than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Do you think Samsung should release a S22 FE with this new chip? I would love to hear your opinion on that. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.